it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Give me another reaction. Today, guys, we're with Valley. Yeah, man, the diplomat himself, Mr. Dipper. With real life facts, yeah, on the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 rhythm. Yeah, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 rhythm, official music video. Top shot, big up yourself. Your production, this, I believe. So I can jump in the one and see what I'm going on. Let's go, man. Valiant, real life facts. Let's go. So this is the same rhythm as where Vado said, bad and not the badness with big guns. Vado. Bad. We got a production team. Pussy.
Things haven't been going good lately. 9 to 5, dog, that can't pay me.
So obviously, the boss boy is a pussy. Yeah, you know them boss say we go like them more than what they are. Yeah, that him late for work, you know. Look like him late for work, you know.
Things haven't been going
good. Pick up yourself.
9 to 5, dog, that can't pay me. Why me have a backyard and not saving? Tell the truth, I'm not complaining.
Why me have a backyard and I'm not save? You can't save because of Antomouth 9 to 5. Most of the time, Antomouth, brother, as you get the money done. Listen what Assassin said. He said it.
Things haven't been going good lately. 9 to 5, dog.
Good. I hear production. Not top notch.
Tell the truth, I'm not complaining. I true a partner and I pray for some changes. Mommy still I work from payslip to payslip. Dog just bust off him sentence. Money, God protect my soul. You want me in a church, mommy, but me have a top the road.
Yeah.
Soon buy your house for live, not for sleep on the floor.
Boss boy, that
things don't work out for me. Me have to make you secure. Oh, good.
Clot. Top shooter. Are you shoot the visual, I think? We got the whole production team still. Directed by Top Shooter. Okay, directed by Top Shooter. Big up yourself. Regardless, big up yourself, my G. A Foxy G, I speak in the one, you know. A Foxy G, listen, man. That's why I name real life Foxy, you know.
Good lately. 9 to 5, dog, that can't pay me. Why me have a backyard and not saving? Tell the truth, I'm not complaining. I true a partner and I pray for some changes. Mommy still I work from payslip to payslip. Dog just bust off him sentence. And in the heaven start make money. God protect my soul. You want me in a church, mommy, but me have a top the road. Soon buy your house for live, not for sleep on the floor.
Facts.
If things don't work out for me, me have to make you secure. Oh, good. Greatness is a...
Yo, the man say, if things don't work out to me, mommy, I have to make you secure. I have to make sure say you good. So I have to buy your house even before I buy my own. That's how the GS right there, so.
Not for sleep on the floor. If things don't work out for me, me have to make you secure. Oh, good. Greatness is a road where you walk alone. Memories from the past and it make me cool. Dreams unfold, me didn't know. Me never unsure, me just have to make it go. Live life to the fullest, I will not beg none door.
Nah, the big Nando.
I want it all. Money they are no free, I buy it all. After tree go to white out. Let me tell you, poverty just get a right up. One call make it right up.
Yeah, man, fuck you, poverty. Nyam shit a bush and drop down dead. Nyam a poison, grandma zone for you. Go. Poverty, yo, are you a get it? All them a poverty. Watch your boss boy, I go fuck on the G now, man. See G a dead, I go Gallifest, yeah. Him a Gallifest. Him becoming an artist because he knows he's talented. But I work him there. 95 time down, you see me?
Let me tell you, poverty just get a right up. One call make it right up. Ambition and jealousy coming from enemy. Protect my energy. Bad mind can't get to me. Me know the remedy. And in the heaven star, make money. God protect my soul. You want me in a church, mommy, but me have a
protect my soul, God.
Soon buy your house for live, not for sleep on the floor. If things don't work out for me have to make you secure.
Sure.
Father God, I come as I am. Me not too bad for shot little prayer.
Yeah, what the fuck, yeah, watch the man. For the man in the kitchen and cook. Yo, boss boy, load the man, man. Yeah, we know say your business, but him get the job done. Load the bumbo clap, man. Sure. I can't stand some other boss boy. I love micromanaging. It's called micromanaging. He's micromanaging. Anything where him do, him I do it. Him I pray.
Father God, I come as I am. Me not too bad for shot little prayer.
Never.
Every day I the same thing, I kinda tired. Can't sit down on the block and man I beg my fire. Because I want more for myself and you know that.
Walk out.
When I talk to myself and I hope yeah, more action. No.
So in Bridging we just forward from prison. I give him strap for lock. Look here. Him have a strap and you know. And in Bridging we just forward, see me?
Myself and no
don't tell everyone my boss.
No distraction, live through this time. A brand new chapter, start memory.
Bumbo clap. Get a youth, don't follow Valiant and do this, yeah. When you got a prisoner dead, no, do it, please.
Distraction, live through this time. A brand new chapter, start memory. God protect my soul. You want me in a church, mommy. Me have to act up the road.
I have to find out what you mean. Hold out.
Now for sleep on the floor.
Me rate him never do that. Me rate him never take that offer there because it's so easy to go down the road there, especially when you're frustrated. So I'm glad saying him never go down the road there. So yo, get a youth, don't do that. Follow where I do, yes sir. Yeah.
Full blessing coming different. Big up all the deep for them.
Rahim, money is the root of all evil. Okay?
But we still want it though.
Money is the root of all evil, but you still want it though. Good production, big up yourself. Bumbo claw, look at G right at us, man. Okay, what is what's happening? Strong words from Valley. Strong words from Valley right there. Look, just look on the changes from yes sir to yes sir. Father, this are before the at even catch. That are before the at even catch. Big up yourself, Diplo. Big up yourself, yeah man. Big up yourself. Good. And next bang up on the rhythm as usual. Cause that's good. That's what good does. Yeah. See if nothing is yeah man. So basically I say yo, keep going. Never give up because you never know what's around the corner. You see me? You never know what is around the fucking corner. So keep going. Don't give up on your dreams. You see me? Yeah. Cause the best is yet to come. That is what that message basically just said on the screen. Anyway, link to my second reaction channel. I got in the comment section pin. Follow that one there, please. And let me know what you guys think about this one though. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Father, Valiant, make up yourself. Out.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.